With the iteration of communication technology and the development of the concept of the Internet of Things, our society is undergoing unprecedented changes. The increasingly fierce competition and escalating customer demand put forward new requirements for the service quality and the management efficiency of the telecommunication operators. SENTER's Telecom Test PDA realizes the integration of PC simulation, gigabit speed measurement, red light source test, optical power test, TV simulation, network failure analysis, line-to-line patrol, TV fault diagnosis, ONU testing, optical resource rectification, and identify authentication. It establishes a complete telecommunication operation and maintenance management system solution. As a maintenance assistant, it plays an important role in task list circulation, equipment and material management, personnel information management, on-site data collection, and customer experience optimization. PDA integrates basic test functions such as red light and optical power test and realizes test data acquisition and analysis. It changes the traditional manual data input mode and uses the one-key configuration to realize automatic configuration of the task information to the user terminal through the device. The operating process increases efficiency by 50%. The quality of Wi-Fi coverage is the biggest impact of the smart home experience. PDA clearly shows the Wi-Fi quality of each room according to user needs. It customizes a special network optimization scheme for users and forms a comparison report of the effects before and after construction. It is an indispensable weapon in the construction of the family network. Faced with a network rate problem that customers are most concerned about, PDA realizes the uploading and display of the test results with a professional image with one key operation, and the whole speed measurement can be done within 1 minute. Aiming to solve problems of stagnation, black screen, and no TV available in IPTV testing, the PDA simulation TV function helps to activate the service in time and gives clear suggestions on how to deal with them. PDA realizes paperless work and completes customers' orders through task list integration, electronic signature, service score, and other ways to improve customer experience and satisfaction. The value of PDA not only reflects on the home broadband installation but also plays an important role in the acceptance stage of optical network construction. PDA replaces ONU, batteries, optical power meters, and other equipment, and realizes the uploading of key indicators such as quality data, resource data, and broadband data of new optical networks, achieving intelligent individual operations and improving efficiency by 60%. PDA can realize ONU information check and user status recognition to form resource data report with an accuracy rate of more than 95%, which improves the efficiency of resource management by nearly 10 times and greatly improves the utilization rate of resources. Besides, PDA also provides an effective management platform to realize comprehensive management of information including personnel, work orders, test data, location, and time in the whole process, with applications such as work track, work orders flow, data acquisition, material statistics, fault prediction, and user research. Our products are sold to 32 provinces in China and over 30 countries and regions in the world. We provide you with intelligent operation solutions for the Internet of Things era.